just do all that. And it's like, damn, yo. You shouldn't supposed to let that shit happen. It's like you just gave it to him. And it's like, nah, bro. So all the talk that was going about TKO, it don't look that way. Nah. Of course you're gonna have the haters who will try to change the narrative and be like, yeah, Nature Boy told them. Nature Boy told them. So then what? Another one of my sons, Philly King, in here. Lord have mercy. Damn, son. That's the narrative. He told them. Told them what? Like, I ain't told them what? To fit their narrative. You see what I'm saying? It's like, boy, man, boy, it's like, damn, yo. He ain't told them nothing. He told you such and such. Yo, 12 got the same one? Damn. You breaking bread with your son like that? Shit, don't be doing that. I never spend this much money on a damn 12-year-old. But he ain't told him nothing. It's like that Biggie Hunt meekness. It's just like, damn, yo. They'll try to spin the narrative and say, so, Keys, how you feel? And he threatened him. What's that supposed to do? Join the bandwagon. Join the hate train. He told them. Like, he threatened them. You know how many threats I get a day? And like some of the shit that Nature Boy was saying was real. Like when you so high, you don't even be worried about shit that's below. Shit below it don't bother you, don't faze you. And not high as if I'm, you know what I'm saying, like I'm just better than them. No. High as in I'm so sitting up on my throne in my own world, like I don't even see no evil, fear no evil. I ain't worried about the next person. Can't nothing the next person can do or say impact me. See no evil, fear no evil. Can't touch it. How many haters I got? Shit. You know how much juice I got? It's the juice. It's that energy. That energy be real. Think about when Nature Boy came on here, y'all. Think about that. Y'all remember that? Y'all remember all them haters he had? Our phone conversation we talked about. I said, man, I got so much haters. I said, bro, I ain't worried about that. I said, I got a whole lot of haters. Nah, bro, you don't understand the kind of haters I got. I said, bro, I got way more haters than you. But I got way more people that love as well. I was taking smoke. They was trying to give me smoke for like a week, 2 weeks straight. Once they got a little juice of that, got a feel of that juice, of that energy, it turned a lot of them motherfuckers, not only did the hate go away, but it turned a lot of them haters into supporters. They wasn't even hating on Nature Boy no more. And that's one thing about it, the fear of that energy. Look, that juice to turn haters supporters. I turned the hate to supporters. I made this haters disease. Fuck me, don't trip off nothing. I got you. And that's the same way with all of them. Hold on, what's this? Sunday. Okay, cool. All facts. As your boy start fucking with Keys, it was fair. The haters was mad at that. They was motherfucking mad at that. They was sad as fuck. They was so hurt. A Keys stamp, you get a Keys stamp, a Keys approval, that shit juice. That shit juice as hell. I'm talking about, we're going at all these haters. What you talking about? Come on up. Why you don't like Nature Boy? What is that? Let me hear this. Huh? But this what this mean. This what that mean. What are you talking about? A lot of people expect me to go in on Nature Boy, shit like that, but I don't move that way. Like I don't, what they say, move to the beat of somebody else's drumsticks. Why you ain't kick them out? I ain't got to. I ain't got to. He probably was going through it. Today probably just wasn't his day. Sometimes you got to look things from another angle. And be like, okay, you know what? A lot of y'all gonna feel a certain way. I already know. Y'all gonna be like, y'all gonna feel y'all way. I know how y'all is. Y'all gonna be like, look. You know, y'all gonna be like, no, this motherfucker's a big ass hypocrite and X, Y, and Z, or however y'all gonna feel. I'm like, you know what? It's probably a bad day. And truthfully, let's be real. Nature Boy ain't said shit different than what mother motherfuckers from Keys and said. Let's be real. Let's be real. And I used to set their ass back all the goddamn time. And I still used to look at the shit, the bigger picture and shit like that. Everybody got a bad day, and you right. Rebel chicken don't make it right. And then, yeah, you some middle bit. That's how it always is. No cap, y'all. The closer you are to me, however y'all want to look at this, the closer you are to me, the better off people is. The closer they are to the weirdo, to the snitch, the more destruction they got coming in their life. Don't believe me? Go check the stats. Like, just being real. Go check the stats. Like, close you are to me, our people is winning. Anybody close to me be winning. It was drinking tonight, y'all. then it's like, you know, all the threats she was making. All the haters gonna do is record that shit, send it to Bigo. But then trying to pan the narrow. Yeah, he gonna try to stop your bag. He gonna try to turn it in. Why the fuck would I turn this shit in to stop his bag to fuck up my bag? I would say the only good thing, I ain't gonna say good thing about it, because you can't play with that. I don't play with no shit like that. But the good thing about it was directed towards me and TKO. So if Bigo were to say something, I could be like, no, it's all good. Like, cause you know, when it comes like to cyberbullying and harassment and shit like that, Bigo don't have a zero tolerance for that. But I want to say, like it said, like it depends on the context it's in, who the person it is, and if the person felt bullied. If the person felt bullied and shit like that, that's what matters. Or threatened and shit like that, that's what matters. If they were to respond, I can say something, TKO can say something. But who do you think they're gonna blame? Yeah, look, I already know, yeah. They already tried to paint that narrative, like, yeah, he lying. And that's why I be telling motherfuckers, like I was telling, like, look, don't say certain shit, bro. They're gonna record it and send the shit in. Like, that's all they're gonna do. Y'all heard me call him, like I was calling his ass like 1,000 times. Like, look, bro, no, don't do it. Don't say it. You gotta protect the bag. And the day when you calm down, you gotta what you call it. When you calm down, you're gonna look back and be like, damn. I don't know. Pretty kitty. I don't know why you think that. My track record show that. My track record show that. So I don't know. And then it's not a thing where it's like at all one love, but it's not a thing where how Keyz or TKO finna bounce back from me. It's y'all Nature Boy gonna bounce back from me, because 90, it's like when I whack. When I real whack. You gotta hit me what they wanted for real. Stupid facts. Rubber chick already know. So you gonna say something? Each squad, y'all blunt as hell. My admins, each squad, my dope ass supporters, y'all be speaking y'all mind. I know y'all be taming y'all tongue a lot, but y'all motherfuckers is blunt as hell. Y'all blunt as hell. Look, seriously. Hold on a second. It's whack to see it though. I'm shadow banned again. What the fuck happened? I'll leave that to the man. Yeah, I hear you, Chaos. But then at the same time, it's like, I don't know. I move different, yo. So it's like, he probably was just going through something tonight. A lot of times, folks don't even gotta apologize to me. Like, real recognize real. Like I said, I study these folks before. I know more about them than they know about me. I think I don't, let me see. I think he was just having one of them nights, yo. I think he was having one of them nights. He needs to at least apologize to you. Yeah. Man, that shit is just whack, man. Whack. It's, bad. It's an unfortunate situation. It's an unfortunate situation. And then, like, so, Yana, yeah. Tonight was just ugly, though. That ain't even, I don't even care. That's like, no, bruh. No, 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 no. I'm shadow banned. That's so whack. Yeah, like, hold on a second. My brother right here.
What's up? What's up? The energy. I fuck with that,
My mom
bro.
came down, man, talked to me, told me to cool out.
What,
What's the word,
no?
fam?
I guess this means,
And you
too
know what?
many more
You know how this
problems.
shit is. Another day.
Yeah,
It's
I guess so.
the same shit. Just
More
another day.
problems.
Shut your ass
The
up,
way it is.
Mo Juicy.
Hey, we're coming back to you, Billy. I call all the shots, rip all the spots, rock all the rocks, top all the drops. And I'm gonna take them now when all the ball stops. Nigga never home, gotta call me in the yacht. 10 years from now, we'll still be on top. Yo, I thought I told you that we won't stop. Now, what you gonna do with a school that I'm running much longer than yours? And a team much stronger than yours. Violate me, this will be your day. We don't play, mess around with DOA. Be on your way, cause it ain't enough time here. Ain't enough time here for you to shine here. Deal with many women, but the trees down fair. And I'm bigger than the city lights down at Times Square. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Here go Biggie. Here go Biggie.
Real, yo. I ain't exaggerating at all, man. The more money you make, the more problems you get. And jealousy and envy is something that comes with the territory, man. A lot of people, it's just negative energy, like my man Puff say. D-I-G-P-O-P-P-A, no info for the DEA. Federal agents mad cause I'm flagrant, tap myself, and the phone in the basement. My team supreme, stay clean. Triple B, miracle dream, I'll be that. Catch a seat at all events bent. Gatsby and holsters, guns on shoulders, playboy. I told ya, being much to me, lose too much, I lose too much. Step on
Jealousy
stage,
and envy, something coming off the territory. Damn, bro, I was just talking to the people, telling them something.
Oh, damn.
Bro, man, it's whack to see.
What's going on? Talk to me. What's going on? Is that me or you cutting out?
It's whack to see Nature Boy go out. I ain't saying he going out like that. It's whack to see
Oh, yeah,
Nature
bro.
Boy. You know, how today went was unfortunate for a lot of
I mean,
folks, yo. Sadly, for a lot of folks, like it's shit just whack. It's like you gave the negative energy, the devil,
the
just what
thing,
they wanted.
it's unfortunate, but it's not surprising. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying? It's not unexpected, you know what I'm saying? But at the same time, it's just in totality, you know what I'm saying? Don't get me wrong, we didn't have issues before. That's why I'm not surprised. But just how everything is outside of me, that was a little strange.
yeah,
But I ain't surprised, bro. You know, shit. Tomorrow will be a new day.
yeah,
We're gonna keep on going. It ain't stop. that that we got going on. We're gonna continue to
Yeah,
push.
yeah. And, another thing, people was like, "Why you ain't kick him out the family?" Like, I'm not finna kick him out. You know what I'm saying? One thing about it is, I don't just react like that.
Mhm.
Like, you know what I'm saying? I think shit out clear. No
Right.
matter how much disrespect the person done, like he's still our brother though. If we start, you know what I'm
Yes, man.
saying, going hard on him, or just some people you got to be like that with, but I don't just move that way. I don't just be acting out like that. That ain't me. Like I sit back and try to think shit on a different aspect. You know, you got to know a person.
Well, you be forgiving like to a certain degree. I want you be trying to look at the bigger picture. However, when it comes to certain things, I mean, shit, man, I gotta practice what I preach. When it comes to certain things are unacceptable
Yeah,
though.
it is. It's whacked out of the curb,
Certain things.
and that's what a lot of people like. The haters try to change the narrative. And be like, damn, he told TKO, he told Brandon, told us what? He told y'all how you. He told y'all how you.